Ladies and gentlemen, this is Mohammed Tanveer Al-Baki with the Hussaini Channel, and today we are unboxing a microwave solo oven. And this is from Samsung. This is how it looks. This is the box. We've got it from Flipkart. Alright, we're going to quickly unbox it for you and show you how it looks from the inside, and of course an honest review of the same. So we've got the turntable nice and clean. We're gonna keep this aside. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is how the front panel looks. We're gonna remove these stickers here. Okay, so we've got a knob setting and we've got buttons. Let's remove this as well. Alright, so this is how it looks inside. It's a ceramic coating, it's easy to clean. And we seem to have the user guides. It's all black and white, unlike our older microwaves which had a colorful cooking guide along with it. So it's the basic version. Most Indians only use it to reheat their food, so that's pretty much all we do as well, and hence the reason for buying this solo microwave oven. A warranty card which is also in paper. This is how it looks inside. The flash on. So this is timer. We have power defrost, Indian recipes 1 and 2, vegetarian and grain, and this is something we vegans wouldn't use. Also we have a deodorize option and a child lock in case you've got children running around in your house. And once you have the timer set, you just push the start button to turn it on and the stop to turn it off. So we also have certain definitions over here for healthy cooking and the definitions of Indian recipes. Alright, so this is how it looks in the back, ladies and gentlemen. We have the model information. We have a wire which is not as lengthy as it should be, but perfect for us because our wall sockets are pretty close to where we keep the microwave. This is how it looks in our kitchen, all ready to use. We plugged it in. This is how it looks with the turntable intact. Alright, let's turn it on. This is how it looks when it's turned on. Ladies and gentlemen, this also has an inbuilt clock. We also have a timer option here right next to the knob. We've got some gobi Manchurian prepared just to heat it up. The 30-second default timer. The light is quite dim, so if you need to add an extra 30 seconds, you just push this button in and that adds an extra 30 seconds. The only reason we got a Samsung this time is because this was the only microwave that offered a ceramic coating. The last microwave that we had with the knob settings from Haier had a stainless steel coating which wasn't stainless and hence started rusting inside. This is where the magic happens.